In this video, I'm going to show you how you can blur some parts of your images using Canva. So to do this, you need to finish your edit you are doing on Canva, and then you download the image. So after downloading the image, you hop on your browser here, and then you search for this. So hop on any website. So this is for Canva. So if you already have an account with Canva, you just need to hop on it. You'll be redirected to your account. So now I tap on here to upload it. It's a different directory. I think they don't want to add it. So now let me choose this image here, and you can see it's opening. They're going to take you back to Canva. It's just that the blur option is on a different directory or a different URL, something like this. Good, you can see here. So now you can choose your brush here. So let's say I want to blur the on this image. Good, and you can see the on is gone. So now you proceed to download your image. You just move on here, your share, and then you download your image like that, and you're good to go. So that's it on how you can blur images on Canva. Very much simple and easy. So when you're using your normal Canva, you're not going to find this option. Just download your edit or download your images. After that, you move to your browser, you search for blur, and then you move to this URL by Canva, and then you come and blur it here, and then you download it, and then you have your blurred image. So that's it once again. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.